Have you ever pondered the enchanting connection between the act of cooking and infusing love and emotion into your meals? Cooking with love, healthy meals with emotion, isn't just about preparing food, it's an exploration of how cooking can be a transformative journey towards nourishing not only your body but also your emotional well-being. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can something as ordinary as cooking become a source of joy, emotional connection, and ultimately lead to a life filled with happiness and satisfaction? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of cooking with love and its profound influence on your culinary and emotional experiences. The heart of cooking with love is the intention behind your culinary creations. It's about cooking not just to feed the body but to nurture the soul. When you cook with love, you're putting your emotions into your dishes, infusing them with a special kind of magic. Cooking with love promotes mindfulness. It encourages you to be fully present in the cooking process, to savor each step, and to embrace the sensory experiences of creating a meal. This mindfulness can lead to heightened emotional satisfaction. Food has a deep connection with memories and emotions. Cooking with love often involves preparing dishes that are tied to fond memories or that hold special significance. These meals evoke feelings of nostalgia and emotional warmth. The practice of cooking with love can become a way to express and share emotions with loved ones. Cooking for someone you care about can be an act of love and affection, and sharing a meal together fosters a sense of emotional connection and satisfaction. Healthy meals prepared with love are often more nutritious. When you cook with intention and care, you're more likely to select fresh, whole ingredients and make mindful choices that support physical and emotional health. Cooking with love can also act as a form of self-care and self-love. The act of dedicating time to prepare a meal you truly enjoy is an affirmation that you deserve to feel your best. This self-nurturing can have a profound impact on your emotional well-being. The practice of cooking with love often extends to the community. By sharing your culinary creations, you can spread joy and emotional fulfillment to others. The act of preparing meals for those in need or hosting gatherings can enhance the sense of connection and promote emotional well-being. In conclusion, cooking with love, healthy meals with emotion, is an invitation to prioritize cooking as a transformative element in your pursuit of emotional fulfillment and well-being. It's a reminder that happiness and satisfaction can be found in the love and emotion you infuse into your meals, by nurturing your body and soul through cooking with care. By incorporating the act of cooking with love into your life, you can unlock a lasting source of happiness and emotional well-being that enriches your daily culinary experiences. So, with each dish you prepare, envision it as an opportunity to cook with love, promoting emotional satisfaction and a profound sense of connection, one heartwarming meal at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.